Self-practice 4.10, question 1. Given that log 74 is this, log 75 is this, evaluate each of the following. Okay, so these kind of questions, we can type in our calculator, but we can't. We need to use the values that they give to try to express these. So whenever you see these kind of questions, we must first identify the numbers. We have log 74, log 75. So the numbers involved in this question will be 4, 5 and 7. Okay, we need to try to solve using these numbers. Okay, let's look at A. Log 7, 1, 1 over 4. So we can convert the mixed numbers into improper. So 1 over 4 is 5 over 4. So we can say this is log 7, 5 over 4. Then when log, you have division, this will become minus. So log 7, 5 minus log 7, 4. Right, so log 7, 5 we have this 0.827. Log 7, 4 also we have, which is 0.712. So if you do this in your calculator, we get 0.115. Done. Okay, let's look at B. Log 7, 28. Okay, so 28 we need to relate it with these three numbers. So 28 will be 4 times 7. So I can write this as log 7, 4 times 7. Okay, which is 28 lah. So when we have divide, it becomes minus, means when we have times, it will become plus. So log 7, 4 plus log 7, 7. So log 7, 4 we already have 0.712. Log 7, 7, if these numbers are the same, it will become 1. Okay, log 7, 7, log 8, 8, log 9, 9, log 1000, 1000, doesn't matter lah. Okay, you'll just get 1. So this, if you add, you get 1.712. Done. Okay, let's look at C. Log 7, 100. So we need to try to make 100 using these numbers. So 100 is 20 times 5. So we can say 4 times 5 times 5. Or we can say 4 times 5 square. So when we split this, times will become plus. So we can say log 7, 4 plus log 7, 5 square. Okay, log 7, 4 we already know, 0.712. This square, we have to bring it forward. So it will become 2 log 7, 5. Okay, you have to bring it forward first. Then only we substitute the log 7, 5 into here. If you just leave it, if you just substitute it here, you won't get the answer. Because this square only belongs to the 5. If they say whole thing with the bracket square, then we can sub the value here lah. But here this square only belongs to 5. So we have to bring the square forward. Okay, become like this. So here we sub the log 7, 5, which is 0.827. Then we add lah. .366. Okay, if you want to check your answer, you can just use your calculator. Log 7, 100. 2.366. Okay. Right. Lastly, we have D. Okay. Log 7, 0.25. Okay. I give you one tip. Whenever you see decimals, you just take your calculator, change it to fractions. So you just type this, you press equals, you get 1/4, right? So this 0.25 is 1/4. So division, if you have division, it will become minus. So this will become log 7(1) minus log 7(4). Okay, log 7(1), anything lah, log 10(1) or log 21, log any base, as long as here is 1, right, will become 0. This is the law of log. Okay, because 1 is basically 7 to the power of 0. So 0 we bring forward, 0 times log 7 is just 0. Okay, but that's the behind the scenes, why is it 0? But anyway, you can just remember lah. Okay, log any base 1 will give us 0. Okay, I can show you here. Log 10(1). Yeah, so if we change the base to log 99, also 0. Log 65, 67, same. Right, it's part of the rule. Then minus log 7(4). Log 7(4) is already given, 0.712. So our answer will be negative 0.712. We can double check. Log 7, 0.25. Yup, negative 0.712. That'll be our answer lah. That's it.